Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota RAV4 brake pads. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and a 14mm socket. Don't forget your new brake pads and a C-clamp or caliper press to retract the piston. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands and wear protective gear. This simple method will save you time and money, ensuring your RAV4 stops smoothly and safely. Now that you have your tools ready, let's get started. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you're working on. Then, safely raise your RAV4 and secure it firmly with jack stands. Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper. Locate the two 14mm bolts holding it in place. Carefully unbolt them, lift the caliper, and gently slide out the old, worn brake pads. Remember to keep track of any shims. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. Before installing, you'll need to retract the caliper piston. Use your C-clamp or caliper press to push the piston all the way back into the caliper body. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Now, carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they sit flush. Finally, reattach the caliper, tightening the two 14mm bolts securely. Double-check everything is snug. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel, making sure the lug nuts are hand-tightened first. Then lower your RAV4 safely to the ground. Once on the ground, tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended torque, typically around 76 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston and ensures proper brake function. Take a short, slow test drive to confirm everything feels right. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to read on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.